Welcome back with another update with so supposedly there's a blizzard that's supposed to happen this weekend up near Canada, like Alberta, Canada, Montana, Idaho, and the winter storm warnings were issued for southwest Alberta, or essentially just South Alberta. Not what I wanted to click on. I wanted to click on the link, which will be in the description, don't worry. But either way, there we go. That's what it looks like. Not sure what the gray is. Frost advisory. Okay, so there's that too. But either way, there you go. Stay safe. See you in the next video.